Okay, good morning guys. We are going to hunt for guinea fowl and pheasants this morning. The rig I am using is just a Bruno Model 222 long rifle. This is my granddad's 22 that he got from his father. Yeah, the bullets or the rounds I'm using are just these this is just CCI hollow points. I don't know what they're called. Solid. Yeah, they travel about 1,300 feet per second. Sorry for the background noise, I am making coffee. So yeah guys, we are going to hunt the guinea fowl. There's on that open spot just about the right there where my nail is. On that open spot, there's where we feed where we feed the cows, and the guinea fowl just comes and eats all the feed. Sorry if I talk too slow or too fast. I'm not English speaking. I speak Afrikaans. So yeah. Okay guys. See you later. Look out how close the pheasants are. Guys, there's the guinea fowl. They all just flew away, but they'll land there in the land just here. There's still some there. Come on, don't light. There's still some there. Yeah. Okay guys, I just shot the guinea fowl. It's a very small one, but it will have to do. There it is guys, that little dot. I am going to try and get it or recover it if you want to use pure English. So yeah, pick you guys up when I get it. Okay guys, here he is. I shot it there, or through the back actually. There's the feet coming out there, through there where the hole is. The feet's coming out there. There, see. And yeah guys, first guinea fowl of the day. There are some guinea fowl here guys, but at the moment I can't shoot because there's cows in front of the bush. Yeah, so I'm just gonna load the gun and wait until the cow passes. I don't know how many cows are here, but I have one. I have two. Yeah. Catch you guys when I go fetch the guinea fowl. Okay, guys. There's the guinea. Or the guinea fowl. This one is actually quite big compared to the other one I shot. Yeah, it's a bit bigger, but it's not big. Hey, I shot it. Come on, turn over. I shot it there. There's a. Yeah, I shot it through there. It was about let's think. I shot it around here. So let's say how much. How far do you guys think it is? I'll say about 30-40 meters. Yeah, but 22 is nothing. Yeah, guys. That's all for now. Hopefully, the guinea fowl comes back again. Okay, cheers, guys. Okay, guys. Now we are going to go for some pheasants. Today's morning, or this morning's guinea fowl hunt is over. We already shot 2. And we had a nice recovery on 1. Yeah, guys. Okay, see you all later when we spot some pheasants. Okay, cheers, guys.